Hello students, how are you all today?
Fine.
Fine. Safira Firsa, how was
I'm
your...
fine, sir.
Oke, gimana PTS-nya? Lancar? Ujiannya lancar enggak? Safira Firsa. PTS-nya gimana Firsa? Lancar. So how are you all today? Baik. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Malu-malu sepertinya. Okay, it's nice to see you all again after 2 weeks break because you have missed semester tests. And for today's meeting, we are going to talk about future dreams. Future dreams. Dreams di sini bisa ambisi, bisa cita-cita, bisa mungkin lebih mungkin mau pengen jadi apa mungkin setelah selesai kerja atau sudah pensiun atau segala macam tentang dreams ya. Jadi secara umum future dreams bisa tentang pekerjaan, it can be about life, it can be about your personal life and everything. Jadi secara umum tentang dreams. Okay, I'm going to share you a PowerPoint presentation first. Can you see the presentation?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ini sudah thank you ya, berarti sudah berakhir. No, I'm just joking. The future dream. Okay. Is it okay? Future dream. Future dreams. Dreaming is mentally explore future possibility. It makes you have life purpose, directions, and meaning. It shapes your life choices, helps you build toward the future, and gives you sense of control and hope. Jadi adanya harapan, mimpi ataupun impian tadi membuat kita memiliki tujuan hidup yang ini juga. This is not about something that we relate to the religion. The religion is important as well, but this is we talk about something yang common saja, yang umum, direction and meaning. Kalau tidak ada apa ya cita-cita yang dicapai, biasanya kita bingung, tidak terarah mau jadi apa nanti. It shapes your life choices, membentuk pilihan hidup, kemudian helps you build toward the future and gives you sense of control and hope. Dan bisa memberikan sense control dan harapan. Okay, this is one of the quotes about future dreams. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Jadi biasanya yang punya impian besar, kita sering dengar ya, gapailah cita-citamu setinggi langit. Nah ini kurang lebih sini. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Masa depan bergantung, masa depan dimiliki oleh mereka yang percaya dengan indahnya impian-impian mereka. This is said by Eleanor Roosevelt. Kalau kau pernah dengar Roosevelt, berarti ini istrinya mantan mungkin almarhum presiden yang keberapa yang dari Amerika Serikat. Sekarang let's talk about your dreams. Kita mulai ya. Untuk mengekspresikan about dream, ada beberapa frase yang bisa digunakan. I want to, mungkin yang lebih paling simple, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a policeman, I want to be a businessman, I want to be an entrepreneur, I want to be a lawyer, I want to be rich, I want to build a big house, I want to go to Japan, dan seterusnya. Itu impian juga mesti tentang pekerjaan, jadi impian mau pergi kemana dan seterusnya, mau berlibur di mana, itu namanya dream. Maka secara umum dream tadi tidak hanya tentang pekerjaan tetapi juga tentang impian-impian di luar pekerjaan tersebut. Tadi frase simple untuk menggunakan dream ya, I want to go, I want to have a vacation in, dan seterusnya. Kalau terkait dengan ini bisa juga tentang pekerjaan, it's my biggest dream to to play or to sing on the stage. Impian terbesar saya adalah bernyanyi di atas panggung. Misal ya, impian terbesar saya adalah menyanyi di atas panggung. It is my biggest dream to sing on a stage, on a big stage. My ambition, ambisi atau cita-cita saya adalah, my ambition is to become a doctor. Ambisi saya adalah menjadi seorang dokter. In 5 years, nah ini bisa goal yang kalian buat bisa dalam 1 tahun, dalam 2 tahun, dalam 3 tahun, dan seterusnya. Kamu mau meraih apa atau menjadi apa? In 5 years, I have to be, mungkin nih Kak Ansol sama Kak Rafli dalam 5 tahun ke depan ini sudah bisa melihat diri jadi apa nih? In 5 years, I have to be mungkin Kak Rafli sekolah lawyer sudah masuk in 5 years?
Ya.
Nah, in 5 years, I hope to be a lawyer. I hope to see myself in a law firm, sitting on a bench, on a desk, with myself on the table, and it's called lawyer. Nah, mungkin mau duduk di meja yang ada tulisannya lawyer, perhaps. Itu nanti kita tanyakan ke Raffi. I can see myself doing blah 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 in the future. Saya bisa melihat saya melakukan apa di situ di masa depan. I can see myself going overseas in the future. Saya bisa melihat diri saya pergi ke luar negeri, jalan-jalan luar negeri di masa depan. I am on the point of reaching my goal. Saya sekarang dalam posisi meraih cita saya. I look forward to becoming a scientist, perhaps, a teacher, a policeman, or any kind of jobs that you are hoping
Assalamualaikum,
to do.
Pak. Saya baru masuk.
Waalaikumsalam, Nadia. It's all right. We're not talking about dreams. So in the meantime, you can see the slide right now. So what is your future dream? Sekarang, seperti yang tadi saya sampaikan adalah tentang future dreams. So what are the things you are most passionate about? Hal apa saja yang kamu paling tertarik? Nah, ini pertanyaan ya. What do you love? What are you most proud of? Kita tanyakan dulu ke kakak kedua yang sudah hadir hari ini. So, Kak Ansol or Kak Rafli, would you mind one of you first introduce yourself, who you are? Were you a student of MTS or not? Were you a member of Creative English or not back then when you were a bit younger than today? So, who's gonna speak?
Can I go?
Who go first? You?
Yeah.
Okay, silahkan.
Yeah. So hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Afi. I was a MTS student, and I was a Creative English member. It has been 7 years, I guess. Yeah. 7 years.
years ago.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then currently I'm a student in Mullah Warman University. Yeah, so I think that's all.
Probably
yeah,
the
and
major you are now taking.
in the future, I would like to see myself as a young rising
Successful.
lawyer in the city.
Oh, so in 5 years, in 2 years, or in how many years?
In 5 years, let's go 5.
Okay, let's go for it. Okay, in 5 years, you hope to see yourself a successful young lawyer in the city, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a nice dream. We'll talk later about your dreams later. Kak Ansel, can you please introduce yourself so everyone will not surprised to see you?
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, my name is Anissa Salawati. I'm currently a student an information system student in Mullah Warman University. I was also a creative English member, just like you guys, back when I was young.
And
Um,
you are also
was-
alumni of MTS, right?
yeah,
What class?
yes.
Do you remember what class? What year was that? That year?
I mean the
20
class. Do you mean the class?
2013, 2014.
2012. I don't remember.
You don't remember? It's okay. 2012 or 2013.
Yeah, between that, I think.
Okay, 2013. So, do you have any question? If you have any question for Kanso and Karafli, go ahead. Because
Do you
today
have any question?
we're gonna talk about hopes and dreams. Silahkan sebelum kita membahas tentang dreams lebih lanjut ke kakaknya, ada pertanyaan, you can ask any questions, nggak mesti tentang bahasa Inggris, perhaps about the study that is now being taken by Kanso, system
Information system. Yes.
Ada yang ditanyakan?
Do you have any question?
They're quite shy, I guess.
That is okay.
Or perhaps they don't have any question yet. Atau mereka sedang mempersiapkan jawaban kalau ditanya, what is your future dream? Okay,
Don't be so
Kanso.
nervous, guys.
So if you
Don't
have
be
any
nervous.
question, raise your hand or you can write your question on the chat box as usual. Silahkan kalau ada yang nanya, monggo, atau yang malu-malu, takut salah, pakai bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa. Atau ditulis di chatnya saja. Ya, ke Anisol dulu ya, Kak Rafli. So what, we agreed to talk about future hopes and dreams. So what are your future hopes and dreams, Kansol?
I'm actually on the point of reaching my dreams. That is to become a database administrator. Amin.
Amin.
Ya.
Kita doakan kakaknya, cita-cita yang tercapai menjadi data administrator. Database
Yes,
administrator.
database. Yep.
Kalau di Indonesia kan apa itu?
Admin basis data.
Admin basis
So
data.
I'm the one who should be managing your data on an application or a website, something like that.
What kind of data? I mean, is it national data or is it like regional or school data or what?
It depends on where I'm in. It can be if I were in a school or university database, I will be dealing with your date of birth, general stuffs, what major are you in, your score, stuff like that. I will also be managing the security of those data, so it won't be stolen or thrown away or something like that.
This is a big question. Why are you interested in becoming a database administrator?
Because it looks awesome and it makes a lot of money.
Wow. It makes a lot of money.
No, yeah.
Do you have any knowledge about how much money can a database administrator make in a month?
The last time I looked, it was around 7 to 10 million.
7 to 10 million for a new employee?
No, I think it's for senior, obviously.
Oh, I see. Why? Okay. Apa jawaban bahasa untuk kalimatannya Kak Ansol? This is a question from Nadia Zahwa Untoro. Balasan untuk kalimatannya soal hope and future dreams itu apa? Misalkan, what is your future hopes or dreams? Ya, tergantung ya.
Tadi sudah dijelaskan, bukan?
What is your future dream, Kak? Mungkin diulang saja.
I want to be a database administrator.
Ya,
You can use that.
Selain I
I
want
want
to
to
be,
be.
apa lagi?
I'm on the point of reaching my dream.
Okay.
In several years, I can see myself as your blah blah blah, something like that.
Okay. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Dia ada baru masuk katanya. Nggak apa-apa Nadia. Ya, tadi ada beberapa respon yang bisa disampaikan kalau seseorang menanyakan future dreams or hopes. Tapi tergantung ya, dreamsnya apa nih? Apakah satu pekerjaan atau dreams yang secara umum pekerjaan atau dreams yang lain. Misalkan saya juga kan ada yang jawab, impianmu apa? Saya mau jalan-jalan ke luar negeri, keliling dunia. Nah, itu tidak mesti tentang pekerjaan. You have to specify first. Yang nanya itu nanya pekerjaan atau apa? Okay, so you talk about the reason why you are interested in becoming a database administrator, right? How about the office? Is there any dream office that you are expecting to work at?
Yes, actually, I want to be working where my father's also working, so the same company.
Some company? Other than that, I mean, let's say this company doesn't take as many employees, right? For example, so you have to have a plan B. So what is your plan B if it
My,
doesn't work on you?
if this one doesn't work, I will be applying in university or a school. That's my plan B.
The same job.
Yes, the same job.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Anissa.
Thank you.
That's for the meantime, that's a question for you. We'll talk later, and we will ask the students one by one about their future dreams. Now go back to Kak Rafli. Kak Rafli, unmute yourself, please. So you said that you want to be a lawyer, right? And you want to see yourself in 5 years as a successful young lawyer in Samarga City. Hopefully, everyone prays for your hopes to become true. And can you tell us why you want to become a lawyer? So because lawyer is not a common option for many young students to choose. They usually just, I want to be a teacher, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a policeman or something. So why do you want to be a lawyer?
Yeah, I want to be a lawyer because first of all, I like to help people, and then there is no such young lawyers in the city, so it creates
A big
boundary.
opportunity for you
Yeah,
to become one.
Yeah, and then the young lawyer is really good at help people if they have problem, and I feel proud. Yeah, I believe that being a lawyer is
It's
as
noble.
noble as being a teacher.
I see. But this is a question that I don't know, probably only some adults ask these questions. You said that you want to help people, right? You want to help people by providing assistance for their law issue, right? So is it for free? Or do you have to pay?
Yeah. In some cases, there are some cases that government pay for it. So if you cannot pay for it, that's okay. So the lawyer themselves will process them with the government. So yeah, it counts as help for the people that already helped by the lawyer, but also a job if the lawyer have a connection and deal with the government about some cases that help.
Oke, jadi secara ringkasnya mungkin yang kurang kecap tadi ya, mau jadi lawyer itu karena ingin membantu kasus-kasus orang-orang yang mungkin memerlukan bantuan, lembaga bantuan hukum. Dan ada kasus-kasus yang biasanya tidak ada pembayarannya dan dibayarkan oleh pemerintah. In what certain cases are the government involved,
So the government involved
especially in payment.
the government involved in some law firm that already verified by them. So
What
uh,
cases?
if every cases,
Any cases?
if you are verified by the government, you are supposed to help those who need and those who cannot pay
Mhm.
the fee from lawyers. So because you are integrated with the government, so this is your job to help those who cannot pay the lawyer fee.
So,
And
jadi ada kerjasama antara lawyer sama ada law firm sama government.
Yeah.
Jadi misalkan kalau ada kasus di mana yang orang ini tidak bisa bayar, government will memastikan bahwa lawyer tadi tidak meminta bayaran begitu ya maksudnya.
Ya.
Gitu. Itu kalau orang kaya misalkan, apakah bisa dibantu atau hanya terbatas pada orang-orang tertentu?
Terbatas soalnya harus pakai SKTM, surat keterangan tidak mampu.
Oh, harusnya tidak mampu.
Ya.
Oh, jadi those who are not affordable to pay will be helped by the government by asking the law firm that has been appointed by the government.
Yeah.
I see. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nggak ada alasan lain selain to help? Yeah, I know. You pointed out that a lawyer is as noble as the chase. That's a good point. And so perhaps you have any question for Karafli or vice versa. Okay.
Yeah.
Dan so mungkin ada pertanyaan, silakan.
I want to ask the students though.
Okay. You can see the list of the participants right here.
Should I just pick one of them?
Sure. Especially those who are on camera right now. We have Wangsa, we have Nadia, we have who else? Muhammad Fatur Rois. We have Adnani. Or anyone you want.
Nadia, the one who asked question earlier. I would also like to ask a question to you.
Yourself? Okay.
Hello, Nadia. Can you unmute?
Okay.
Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Good. I'm good, thank you. It is very nice to meet you, by the way. So, regarding our talk today, I would like to know, what is your dream? Do you have any dreams?
Jadi ustazah.
That is very noble. Jadi ustazah, sir.
Ustazah. Oh, that's good. Well,
that's very noble.
Probably can ask the reason why she wanted to become.
Why do you want to be an ustazah, Nadia?
Jadi bisa ngajarin orang yang belum bisa baca Al-Quran properly.
Masya Allah, bagus banget ya. That's very good. Do you have any other reason?
Who is the motivation for you to become an ustazah? Anyone who inspire you?
Ya, Ustazah Isti.
Who is she?
Guru les ngaji saya.
I see. Okay,
How long?
thank you, Nadia.
How long have you been having this dream? Since you were at elementary school or just in junior high school?
Since elementary. Since elementary.
Since elementary school. Grade 6, grade 5, or grade 4?
Grade 5.
Grade 5. Okay. We wish you good luck for your future dream. Hopefully you can become an ustazah and share your knowledge.
Yes.
Share your knowledge to those who are not eligible to read perhaps properly, like you said before. Okay, thank you, Nadia. So maybe you can ask more students. Maybe we have
Yes,
Aluna is also on camp, and then who else?
Aluna.
There is-
Wangsa, why are you on your phone? Aluna, let's ask Aluna.
Okay, Aluna.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good, good. Same question as before because this is our topic today about dreams and hope. Do you have any dreams or hope that you can share with us?
Well, I want to be an animator, like, making animations, cartoons, and stuff like that.
Same.
That's good.
Do you like to draw and animate?
Yes, I like to draw since when I was young.
Oh, that's
So I want to learn how to animate too. So I want to be, I want to work with in like
Disney,
DreamWorks Studios and Disney, yeah, like that.
Pixar.
Yeah.
nice.
Or we can make Minions Part 3. Why do you want to become an animator? Is there any reasons, any specific reasons why you want to become an animator?
I don't know. It just somehow it inspires me to be like an animator.
Who?
I watch a lot of animations, like cartoons since when I was young. So it kind of
Are you in the point of reaching your dreams come true? So
Huh?
what steps do you do to make your dreams come true? What do you do to make your dreams come true? I mean,
I think I have to learn more. I need to study really hard so I can reach my dreams and make it come true.
have you tried to send your animations to some companies?
Not yet. I'm still learning.
Okay. Let's say we have about like, what is the Islamic cartoon animation that we produce here in Indonesia? What is the brother and the sister? I forget the title of the animation. Can you remember?
I don't
The
know.
one whose like is
Nusa dan Rara, Pak.
yeah, Nusandra. Thank you, Wangsa. So can you make animation like what like Nusandra, Aluna?
I can't make animation like 3D. I can't. I think it's too hard. I'm still learning.
Okay, so learning. Hopefully you can make like one so you can produce your own animation and share it to the national television or perhaps international. I can work in Disney, Pixar, or any what is the other one that you mentioned before? DreamWorks. Right. So, any more question?
Maybe we can ask Karafli to.
Okay, Karafli, it's your turn. Perhaps you can choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, so let's go with the voice.
Okay.
Let's go with Wangsa. Halo Wangsa.
Halo, Kak.
Hello, how are you, bro?
Apa, Kak?
How are you? You good?
Good. Fine.
Ah, fine. So our topic today is
Yeah.
dream. To be honest, when I was in MTS, my dream is to be a football player. So how about you? What is your dream?
Jadi co-host.
My dream is to be maybe police, like FBI, CIA, or something like that.
Ah,
Bangsa.
you good. So are you interested in some kind of police and special agent movies, huh?
Yes.
Ah.
Itu kadang
Like
So
Man in Black or
Iya.
something like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was Man in Black too. So what is your favorite police actor, or what is your inspiration to be a police?
nggak putus aja.
I forgot. But when I was young,
Mungkin nggak ada kata-katanya susah.
saya
You can say
bermimpi
bahasa.
untuk
Bahasa if you don't know
Ya,
the word.
ini bahasa Indonesia.
untuk menjadi ya kebanggaan sajalah.
Ah. Yo, it's good though. Being a police is a really good one.
Yes.
Yeah, you need lots of courage to be a police.
Menjadi polisi.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's cool. Mr. Jafar.
Okay. Thank you, Wangsa. You want to be a policeman, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. To be the pride of your family. Tadi kebanggaan tadi
Yes.
ya. Kebanggaan tadi bahasa
Iya,
Indonesia pride. Pride ya. Okay. Kak Raffi, you can choose another boy. We have Nabihan here. We also have Faturois, Tegar. You can choose the girls if you want to.
Apa nih?
Up to you. You can choose one of them. Kawan Gozi. Nabihan. Nabihan, coba Nabihan. Nabihan, are you
Hello?
there? Nabihan. Faturois?
Mr. Jafar.
Yes.
Nadia asked, who is behind you?
Behind me is Mr. Idris. Nabihan, are you there, Nabihan? Nabihan tidur kayaknya nih. Faturois?
Ya Ustaz.
Nah, ayo silakan Kak Rafli, Faturois is there.
Yo, hello, Patrois.
Halo Kak.
Yo, how are you?
I'm fine.
Good. So we're talking about our dreams. So Wangsa wants to be a police. So how about you?
Soldier.
Soldier, okay. Tentara.
Ya.
Yo,
Ya, 12 sama polisi ya.
everyone here is cool though.
Yeah, everyone is cool here, including the students.
Yeah. So Patrois, who is your inspiration to be a soldier?
Kakak saya jadi tentara, jadi saya juga kepengen ikut menjadi tentara.
Your brother is
Yes.
in the army right now?
Yeah.
In the army.
Yes.
How old is he? How old is your brother? 21, 2, 3, 4. Nah, ada yang lewat. That's your little brother?
Ya Ustaz.
Di belakangmu tadi ada ini ya?
Iya deh.
Nah, saya mau nanya, kakakmu umurnya berapa? Kan jaraknya jauh tuh.
21.
Berarti jaraknya jauh ya?
Jauh banget.
Oh, jauh. So the certain reason why you want to become an soldier is because your brother.
Ya.
Kamu nggak niat sama melindungi negara gitu atau karena apa?
Iya sih, tugasnya tentara kan melindungi negara, Ustaz.
Okay, let's say you were put in a boundary between Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. What do you think? Kamu ditempatkan di perbatasan Papua New Guinea sama Indonesia.
Kontak.
Yeah, can you survive? Are you brave
Ya,
enough?
nggak apa-apa.
Oh, nggak apa-apa. Wow, that's amazing. Sudah pegang senjata? Belum.
Kalau itu enggak sih.
Oke, thank you. Ada lagi pertanyaan Kak Rafli?
I think that's all, sir.
Okay, let's say Royce. Royce,
Ya, Ustaz.
let's say your plan A to become a soldier didn't work out. So, do you have any plan B? What's your plan B?
Plan.
Kalau rencana A-nya sebagai tentara tidak berhasil, misal.
Saya jadi STPDN. Ke STPDN.
Oh, tetap ya, yang berkenaan sama kedisiplinan ya. Oke, great. In Bandung? STPDN in Bandung?
Ya, betul.
Tapi sudah sering dengar berita-berita kan?
Sering, Ustaz.
Oh, yang macam-macam itu. Yang sampai meninggal.
Iya.
Itu tidak menyurutkan langkah?
Enggak sih, Ustaz.
Oh,
Kayaknya.
oke.
Kan itu cita-cita.
Okay. Be strong. Thank you, Fatur.
Ya, Ustaz.
Kak Rafli, do you want to choose another student or Kak Anissa?
Right. I would like to ask Sarah. Sarah
Mhm.
Rizkia.
Sarah Rizky.
Hai.
Sarah, mana nih? Nggak kelihatan mukanya mana?
Ini udah.
Oh, udah.
Udah ya. Hello. Do you have any plan for your future? Do you have any dreams that you can share?
I want to be a dentist.
A dentist. That's very nice. So you will be applying for medical school in the future, yeah? Right. Do you have why do you want to be a dentist, if I may know?
Karena saya terinspirasi dari Kak Fatur sih.
Kak Fatur. Siapa? Terinspirasi dari?
Kak Fatur itu mahasiswa UGM dulu.
How do you know him?
Kak Fatur. Kenapa?
How do you know Kak Fatur? Kenalnya dari
Yang aksi itu loh, Sir.
aksi apa ya?
Ya bukan sih, Sarah yang
yang mahasiswa
demo itu kan?
Ya.
Oh,
Ya,
kamu jadi dentist karena What's that? Tuh, anak orang nangis.
I
Apa
see.
hubungannya Kak Fatur sama dentist tadi?
Ya nggak tahu sih. Cuma terinspirasi aja gitu. Kayaknya
Dia dentist.
Ya,
Dia dokter gigi. Oh. Karena Kak Faturnya mau jadi dentist atau karena ada tujuan lain ya? Atau alasan lain? Misalkan bantu orang.
Ya, pengen bantu orang. Ya,
misalkan mau bikin gigi orang sehat. Atau pernah ada pengalaman dulu kamu sakit gigi gitu, sakit?
Yang orang nggak mampu gitu, misalnya ke dokter gigi.
Kamu pernah sakit gigi?
Pernah sakit gigi.
Pernah ke dentist?
Pernah.
Nah, tahu rasanya ya? Tahu. Ada pertanyaan lain, Kak Ansol?
From what I know, many people, especially young people, they are kind of afraid of dentists. How will you what do we say it? How will you deal with that kind of situation when you are becoming a dentist later? Sarah? Nah, kan banyak nih yang dari saya tahu nih ya, anak-anak tuh
Ya.
banyak yang takut gitu sama dokter gigi. Nah, Sarah tuh kan nanti jadi dokter gigi. Gimana nih cara Sarah untuk
Ya.
menghadapi situasi seperti itu yang kayak anak-anaknya takut sama dokter gigi gitu? Itu gimana?
Ya, Sarah rayu gitu kan. Nggak sakit
Hey,
kok.
Candy,
Nggak sakit kok. Sebentar doang kok. Nggak
Hmm,
sakit banget. Keluar darahnya cuma dikit doang gitu.
kamu pernah
oke oke.
disampaikan begitu ya oleh dokter gigi ya? Kok tahu bang? Nggak boleh dikasih
Oke.
permen ya, nanti sakit giginya malah tambah.
Ya.
Thank you, Sarah. Good luck with your dreams. Study hard, okay?
Oke, Kak Rafli, silahkan mau nambahkan.
Iya.
Nabihan, sudah ada dan Nabihan, Devara, Fauzan, Hendy, ini off kamera semua nih. Itam Malik, Naufal, Alwan Gozi, coba yang lain coba buka kameranya nih supaya ketahuan nih. Ini jangan-jangan tidur nih. Masih cuma join tapi tidur orangnya. Ayo Kak, silakan Kak. Itu ada Randy tuh. Nah, sama Alka, silakan Kak. We have two students who are on cam right now. The boys, I mean, Randy Fatur Rahman, Alka Gifari, and one girl, Nuris Garnani. So choose one of them.
Oh ya, I want to ask Alka, sorry.
Oke,
Alka
Alka.
Gifari. Ya, halo Alka.
Halo,
Halo, how are you, bro?
nggak ada bahasa Inggris.
How are you? How are you, bro? Katanya.
Oh,
Apa jawabannya kalau tanya how are you? Masa lupa.
fine, fine.
Nah, fine, fine.
Ah.
Terus,
Alka, what is your dream, Alka?
what
Hah?
is
your dream? Nanti kalau sudah besar mau jadi apa?
Oh,
sudah besar Rika?
belum tahu.
Itu ada kan tuh raket badminton, mau jadi badminton player?
Nggak tahu juga. Iya kayaknya.
Senang nggak main bulu tangkis emang?
Senang aja. Senang.
Hobinya apa?
Ya, bulu tangkis, main bola.
Tapi untuk cita-cita belum menentukan.
Masih belum kesampaian. Masih belum kepikiran.
Kira kesampaian berarti. Which one is? Coba ya mungkin pikir-pikir aja kira-kira yang mana?
Bulu tangkis.
Bulu tangkis.
Oh.
Why? Do you want to be Kevin? Sanjaya Sukamuljo?
Ya, sama Ginting, sama Aksan.
Oh.
Okay.
Ya, good. Semoga ini ya, you can go for your dreams. Good luck.
Ya, amin.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nuris Giarnani, can you on cam please? Randy, silahkan ke toilet dulu. Kameranya jangan dibawa ke toilet ya. Nuriski, are you on the way to somewhere?
Yeah.
Where are you going to, if I may know? Where are you heading?
Pasar pagi.
So you want to buy some vegetable and chicken, some snacks or what?
Trying to find some shirt
Shirt for you or for someone?
for my sisters.
Shirts. Kemeja. Oh,
Manset.
Okay, you heard the conversations, right? So the same question goes to you. What is your future dream?
My dreams is to become a doctor.
A doctor. Any specific reason why you want to be a doctor?
I like biology
Uh-huh.
and I want to help many people out there.
So you want to help many people out there. So let's say I don't have money for a doctor, to pay the doctor. So I come to you. Will you take charges of the money?
Yes.
You said that you want to help people, right? Let's
Yes.
say you were a doctor. And one day I came to you, I didn't have any money. Will you treat me without any charges? I mean, without any
Yeah.
payment? Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Treatment first.
Okay, treatment
Money,
first,
ya.
money second.
Uang nanti dulu.
I thought money second. So what doctor? We
I
have like,
still don't know yet.
you still haven't decided which
Yes,
kind of
I
doctor
can
you want
decide.
to be. Let's say, what do you want to become a doctor? I know you want to help people, but is there any inspiration from other people that you finally decide to choose a doctor as a dream?
Maybe when I watch K-drama about doctor, yeah,
Okay,
I'm interested from that.
Okay, let's say one plan doesn't work. What is the next plan?
Maybe a businesswoman.
A businesswoman. So you are not interested in business as well, right?
Yeah, kinda.
What kind of business? Clothing line or
I don't know.
restaurant, food? No, you haven't known yet.
I haven't decided yet.
Okay. So that's about dream, about job. How about the other dreams? Any dreams?
I think no.
No? Let's say
No.
everyone dreams to travel the world, to go here and there in Europe, perhaps in France and Germany or other countries in the world. How about you? Some people,
Sometimes, yes. I want to travel around the world.
which country do you dream? What is your dream country to visit one day?
USA.
USA. I thought you and me. Oh no. Just kidding. Thank you. Nadia, you can off camera if you want to.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay, Kak Ansel and Kak Raffi, let's read the chat.
Yes.
Oke, tadi kita ini nih karena Kak Ansel dari Nadia Zawa. The problem is I cannot decide. I really cannot really decide to be an ustazah or an animator. Any suggestion?
You still have a long way to go to decide between those two, you know?
Masih ini sekarang 12-13 tahun, jadi mungkin ada 10. Tapi jangan terlalu lambat juga ya. Early 20 sudah harus memutuskan. Jadi jalannya panjang untuk lebih improve. Sekarang di umur 18 sudah memilih animator, so dari 20, 21 atau lebih muda lagi sudah kerja keras untuk mencapai impian tersebut. So as early as possible will be better. Jadi tahu arahan tadi seperti yang dia awal sampaikan, adanya dreams membuat kamu tahu, oh nanti aku mau menuju ke sini nih. Jadi aku harus mencapai tujuan itu dengan melakukan ini. Misalkan kalau mau jadi animator, ya belajar menggambar, belajar menggunakan IT komputer. Sekarang kan 3D lebih susah mungkin. Apalagi nanti yang mau tadi seperti Aluna yang mau go international, dream works Pixar or Walt Disney, that would be awesome if you start from early. Benar Kak? Kalau mau jadi ustazah,
Yes.
sama ya caranya?
Yeah. Read
Oke,
more,
ya.
study more. Yep.
Jadi ustazahnya pengetahuannya luas, tidak terbatas.
Benar. That is correct.
Takutnya nanti gitu deh. Mr. Ahmad,
Takut salah-salah.
Susa behind you, behind me. A few minutes before was Mr. Idris. Mungkin Kang Asa belum kenal ya. Kalau Zahwa kayaknya
Hang on, it's guru agama bukan, sir?
Iya, guru akidah akhlak.
Yeah, I know.
Hah, sudah pernah?
Hmm.
Oh, tak kira guru baru. Mungkin waktu itu PPL kali ya? Enggak. Sudah guru.
Enggak, tapi waktu saya waktu kelas 9 kayaknya Mr. Idris.
Oh, sudah ada ya.
Ya, kalau if I'm not mistaken.
Oke, kemudian Rafli. Kak Rafli masih ada?
Ya.
Ini nih. Fatur Rois. Iqbal Chandra ini apa? Fatur Rois. Siapa?
Itu atlet pencaksilat, Pak.
Tadi hubungannya apa tadi? Kok tiba-tiba ke pencak silat? Kamu mau jadi pencak silat atlet silat juga?
Saya juga ikut pencaksilat, Pak.
Ini yang pakai tapak suci atau tapak enggak?
Ya, Pak, tapak suci betul.
Waduh. Ada pertanyaan tentang tapak suci Kak Rafli?
Nggak ngerti.
Itu benar tangga dalam atau ada yang lain atau bagaimana? Halo, Rois.
Iya, Kak. Iya, Pak. Kenapa?
Ada tenaga dalam nggak itu? Atau pencak silat murni atau ada tenaga dalam?
Tapak suci itu pencaksilat tangan kosong tapi dengan unsur Islam, Pak. Kayak dia mengajarkan juga tentang keimanan. Baru arti dari salamnya itu sendiri juga ada artinya. Kayak kan begini nih, tangan kanannya berdiri, baru kirinya jatuh. Itu sama aja kayak sami'na wa ata'na gitu. Kayak
Kamu tadi mau jadi tentara, kemudian STPDN, kalau dua-duanya gagal ke pencak silat.
ya, saya juga suka pencaksilat.
Ini opsi C ya, plan C, plan C. Ada rewatch that badminton tournament, so ini tadi kayaknya ke Kevin tadi deh. I'm still 11 years old. Oke, maksudnya umur 11. Ini apa ini? Apakah? Yo, years old. Oke, mungkin ada yang nggak paham. YO ini years old. Jadi sering disingkat YO ya. Oke, kita lanjutkan ini. Kita share screen lagi ya, lanjutannya tadi. Jadi sudah beberapa siswa menyampaikan they are passionate about pencaksilat, animation, about dentist and some other things. Juga ada yang proud of becoming a policeman, seperti Wangsa tadi. Ini perlu nggak kan? So, what makes you feel anxious about your future? We know that we are now in the pandemic situation. Will this situation affect your future dreams to become a database administrator?
What do I have? Can you repeat? I couldn't really hear you. Sorry.
We live in a situation where we cannot go along with other people easily right now. There are some strict restrictions about COVID-19, right? So is this situation affect you or influence you to reach your dream to become a database administrator?
The current
Situation. Is it impactful to your dream?
Well, obviously, I think yes, because a lot of people like us right now, we move because of the restriction and stuff. We move to do things online, which required many data to be stored online. So yes, I think it really has a big impact from this current situation to my dreams to become a database administrator.
Does it really impact? Does it really affect you that much?
I think so, yeah, because from what I from what I read before,
Yeah.
the internet user after the COVID-19
Yes,
happened,
increasing.
yeah, increasing a lot more. So I want to be a database administrator not because of this current situation, even though it has some impacts for me, but for the future, I still want to be a database administrator because my parents, actually, my parents are the main reason for me to choose this. They are quite old and do not understand technology. That is why I want to study technology and also become a database administrator to help them to keep their data safe, to keep my family's data safe or my friends' data. So yeah,
If
that's
we may know what kind of data that your family, especially your father keep, data apa saja yang disimpan nih? Ayo.
it can be anything, you know.
Any
General,
secretive or confidential data?
everyone have a confidential data.
I mean, can you really see? This is the secret that the person has done in the past. I mean, that's the kind of thing also stored in the
No, I
database.
don't know. No, because the data are the user responsibility. We as the database administrator only protects their data, but we do not know what's in it.
Jadi
No.
data administrator hanya menjaga data tersebut, tapi tidak melihat,
Yes, that is right.
apakah
Yep.
ini begini kecuali mungkin kalau dari kepolisian ya. Kalau ada
Yeah,
kasus,
that's a different
that's a different case.
Yep. We only
Ini termasuk data
maintain.
kayak ini enggak, simpati, pengguna ini.
Ya.
Oh, jangan-jangan
Itu ya tergantung lagi sih.
Ayo yang aneh-aneh datanya ada sama Kansol.
No. I'm still learning. I still
Okay.
have a long way to go. Yes.
Okay, Karafli, the same question. This pandemic situation that is currently happening in the whole world, does it affect your dreams to become number one lawyer, professional lawyer in Samarinda? Perhaps in Indonesia. Why in Samarinda, not Indonesia?
Samarinda and its Borneo especially still needs a lot of numbers of lawyers. So yeah.
Mungkin kamu bisa promosiin ya, yang ada di sini siapa tahu mau jadi lawyer dalam usia muda. Seperti Kak Raffi ini sudah S2 Law di universitas. Padahal umurnya baru berapa Kak? 22?
Iya.
Nah, 22 sudah S2 nih. Okay, return to the question. Why? Is there any impact for your dreams to become a lawyer with looking at this current situation?
Yeah, it has, because we cannot see our clients more often, and also we cannot do discussion with my seniors in public spaces. We only do meetings in Zoom, for example, and I cannot attend class in offline because I'm kind of offline guy that I cannot study well if the class is online.
So you are face-to-face. You are better at face-to-face class.
Yeah. I need visual and audio at the same time.
You need interaction, live interaction. Okay.
So this affect me
But I think it doesn't affect you too much, right?
that much because
Oh my.
I need interaction. I'm that kind of guy that needs so much interaction.
Oke, ada ya seperti mungkin guys kalau online ya, kalau dijelaskan secara lewat WA atau Google Classroom atau Zoom, tidak sedetil pada saat di kelas mungkin.
Iya,
Terus pertanyaannya anak-anak juga mungkin yang paham ya, yang pinter-pinter, yang mungkin yang pemalu, nggak berani nanya, atau yang nggak paham nggak berani nanya sama sekali karena tadi takut. Nah itu mungkin keterbatasannya kalau di sekolah ya. Kalau di S2-nya gimana?
Iya, apalagi di S2 kan, terus di kelas banyak yang jauh lebih tua gitu. Jadi
Jangan-jangan
kalau mau
kau
tanya,
paling muda? Are you the youngest in the class? Oh, I see. Disukai ibu-ibu nggak?
enggak.
Okay. For your information, Kak Rafli likes K-pop. Okay, skip that. Oke, jadi itu ya. Interaksinya, bimbingannya terasa kurang kalau di offline, di online ya. Lebih enak di online, offline. Oke. Ada
Yes,
hal
I
lain?
kind of feel that too.
Nah, itu Nadia merasakan hal yang sama. Kenapa Nadia? Why?
Karena kadang kalau belajar online itu bisa ada merasa nggak fokus gitu.
Ada aja ya. Ada makanan dimakan gitu, atau apa, ada buka HP, ada kayak drama lagi. Ada game itu, atau ada yang bikin gak fokus
Susah
apa?
gitu kan. Itu kan biasanya kalau di offline itu biasanya pakai papan tulis gitu ya. Kalau di online jarang gitu yang pakai PowerPoint, screen sharing.
Biasanya apa nih? Kau buka-buka rahasia nih. Nadia, biasanya pakai apa Nadia?
Apanya?
Guru-guru menyampaikan materi pakai apa?
Ya kadang langsung dikasih tahu gitu, langsung pakai suara.
Oh, voice note ya. Ada yang
Kadang
pakai,
ada yang
ada yang apa? Kasih tugas langsung gitu ya? Nggak dijelasin?
itu ada di kelas 6 kemarin.
Oh, SD ya. Alhamdulillah, Nadia. Okay, this is simple example. In the end of this meeting, I want you to write a simple paragraph about your dream. This is the example. I really like painting. My dream is to become famous artist with famous painting. Saya sangat suka melukis. Impian saya lah menjadi seniman terkenal dengan lukisannya yang terkenal juga. Ini yang sangat simple. Tapi kalau mau lebih panjang ini ya. So I give you space. I give you any time to create your own writing. Sepanjang ini boleh, atau mau yang agak simple, lebih singkat pada ini juga boleh. I really appreciate your effort, tapi saya lebih appreciate if it's longer than the simple example that I have shown before. Contoh, hello everyone, my name is Wendy. I often dream about my future. I have big plans and I would like to tell you a bit about them. Hello everyone, nama saya Wendy. Saya sering memimpikan tentang my future. I have big plans. Saya punya rencana-rencana besar, dan saya ingin menceritakan sedikit tentang plans tersebut. I love gardens. Since I was a child, I really love helping my mother in her garden. And my dreams, I can't see myself at 40 running a successful gardening company with about 20 employees. I will design beautiful gardens for people. I will be happy. My parents will be proud of me. I hope my dream will come true, and I am going to be grateful to God if I can become successful gardener. Ya, ini contoh ya. Tadi yang singkat, ini yang agak panjang. So I said before, I really appreciate your effort. So the longer the effort, the better. Saya suka garden. Since I was a child, saya sangat suka membantu ibu saya di tamannya. In my dreams, I can see myself pada usia 40 running, menjalankan perusahaan perkebunan yang sukses dengan pekerja atau karyawan sekitar 20 karyawan. Saya akan mendesain taman-taman yang cantik bagi orang-orang. I will be happy, my parents will be proud of me. Saya akan bahagia dan orang tua saya akan bangga pada saya. I hope my dream will come true. Saya harap mimpi saya akan menjadi kenyataan dan saya akan berterima kasih ke Tuhan if I can become successful gardener. Yeah, this is one of the examples of how to express your future dreams. Ini salah satu contoh saja. So your homework for a week, jadi homeworknya untuk sampai 1 minggu depan ini, you have to write down a simple paragraph telling about your future dreams. Silakan ditulis seperti contoh ini contoh saja. Nanti kalian bisa kumpul melalui PDF atau mau pakai email, silakan. Emailnya pasti yang kemarin yang saya share di grup ada, atau yang mau pakai WA WhatsApp number, you can send your files to my personal WA number. Okay, that's all for today. Before we close, this is one famous Walt Disney quote. If you can dream it, you can do it. Kalau kamu bisa mimpikan, kamu bisa mencapainya. Okay, this is the end of our meeting today. But before we close, Kak Rafli and Kak Ansel, is there any advice or suggestion or motivation for them, especially those who want to have big dreams and want to reach their dreams come true?
Yeah, from me, for everyone, do your best. Belajar yang rajin. Pokoknya intinya rajin dah. Sama pokoknya rajin belajar.
Kalau yang lagi suka rebahan gimana, Kak?
Iya, itu kebiasaan yang harus coba sih. Pokoknya rajin belajar, rajin ibadah. Pokoknya rajin intinya. Semangat ya, semangat semua. Good luck. Kak Anissa.
Oke, Kak Anissa nih yang mungkin ada yang sering main game sampai tengah malam, akhirnya sekolahnya paginya nggak kebangun, akhirnya bolos kelas. Ini ada beberapa sih seperti itu di sekolah. Kalau saya lihat statusnya, game semua. Nah, gimana Kak?
So playing games, it's okay if you want to relax, but playing it more than we need to, it's not really good for you, for everyone around you, also for your health. We need to be healthy to be able to achieve our dreams. So health, and then always pray to God, pray to Allah, so that we will have an easy road to achieve our dream. And study, that is the key. So I like to play games myself. So
sebutin Kak, what game do you like to play?
No, if you want to divide between games and study, my advice is you should be really focusing on your studies on weekdays. You should do all your homework, study all night, but also remember to keep healthy, okay? But and then on the weekend you can relax, you can play, you can spend time with your family, like that. So you need to be smart dividing your time.
Ya, daripada nanti sudah gede tapi menyesalnya di saat lebih baik sekarang di set goal-goalnya, goal jangka pendek, jangka menengah, jangka panjang, mau jadi apa. Kalau main game boleh seperti yang Kak Ansel bilang, tapi tahu waktu ya, harus tahu waktu. Kemudian kalau punya goal tadi ya diwujudkan. Jangan akhirnya karena suka game nilai pada merosot, sering bolos kelas karena paginya masih ketiduran, tugas nggak dikerjain, akhirnya
Kalau kayak gitu
mengecewakan
kan,
orang tua.
kalian nyesel nanti.
Jadi
Gitu.
bersenang-senang berakit-rakit dahulu.
Sakit-sakit dulu.
Bersakit-sakit dahulu,
Nah,
bersenang-senang kemudian.
ya
That's right.
tahu waktunya ya. Yang penting you have to manage your time well. Otherwise, you will
You will
regret.
regret.
You will regret one day. Kenapa aku dulu nggak rajin? Mungkin ada ini ya. Mungkin penyesalan. Kenapa aku dulu malas ya? Kenapa aku sering main game? Nah, itu nggak dirasakan sekarang. Nanti pada saat hidup masa depan, orang-orang pada sukses, orang-orang udah dapat kerjaan, orang-orang udah mungkin teman-temannya di satu angkatan sudah kerja, sudah punya usaha ini, sedangkan dia masih bingung mau ngapain ya, karena di awal-awal ini tidak ada tujuan pasti mau ngapain, dihabiskan game saja. Game is okay, that ya untuk relax, tapi jangan addicted.
Yes. Jangan terlalu berlebihan. Tuh.
Nih, ada yang suka main Mobile Legend. Sarah Rizkia. Nah, dia rhythm game, what rhythm games? Main.
Hey, Osu.
Okay, don't forget to fill in the attendance list. Ada saya share di chat sini, bisa dilihat. Chat link untuk daftar hadir, bisa lihat?
Ya.
Oke. Randy sudah balik dari toilet?
Sudah.
Sudah. Tugasnya apa, Randy?
Mencatat tadi.
Ya?
Itu buat paragraf.
Oke, membuat paragraf tentang
impian.
Oke, tentang impian. Oke, PDF-nya, PowerPoint-nya nanti saya share juga di grup sebagai contoh, jadi kalian bisa mengikuti contoh tersebut. Ya, terima kasih banyak Kak Rafli dan Kak Ansel for spending time today.
Thank you.
I know you both are busy with your university life and assignments, but you managed to spare some of your time joining on CE today. It reminds me back then when we were competing in SMA 10, SMA 10. Along with Zaki and Yuda. Do you remember the area? Or just forget it?
The one with the cups, right? I kind of remember it a little bit.
Can you show us one more before?
No.
Okay, Kak Rafli, you know how to do yell?
No, I totally forgot.
You totally forgot. Okay. Thank you once again to Kak Rafli and Kak Ansel for joining today, and to the students who have joined today's meeting. It's very nice to meet you all today. Hopefully we'll be able to meet again some other time, Kak Rafli and Kak Ansel, if you have time.
Boleh.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, that's all for today. Terima kasih. Jangan lupa tugasnya paling lambat minggu depan. Sebelum minggu depan, mungkin Kamis ya. Kak, paham kan tugasnya? Langsung tutup kameranya. Paham? Kan ini online, kalian boleh pakai Google Translate. I don't mind with that. You have to use your technology. Daripada main game ya. Okay, thank you so much. Let's end today's meeting by saying Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, see you all again next week, students.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Kanisa. Bye, Kak Rafli, and anyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.